When our lead designers and engineers aren't busy creating game-changing products, we love using our expertise to support game-changing startups in their push for sustainability. As part of our Go Green with Razer initiative, we partnered up with ClearBot to bring you an innovative solution that cleans our oceans.
Marine trash is a huge problem, and the current methods of collecting them are slow, expensive, and inefficient. ClearBot is our next generation answer. ClearBot is a marine trash collecting drone that's solar-powered, self-navigating, and equipped with Vision AI that uses machine learning to optimize its capability over time. With Razer's resources and technical expertise aiding our mission, they have helped us improve on ClearBot's design by making it more efficient, marketable, and scalable.
ClearBot is the first of many sustainability startups we intend to support with our in-house design and engineering talent. And we're incredibly excited to see how we can take other amazing sustainability ideas to the next level.
Thanks to Razer, we're now one step closer to realizing our mission. A fleet of ClearBots cleaning the world's oceans. If that's not game-changing, I don't know what is.